Hi guys, welcome to another Barb Stamps multi-card video. The cards in this video are all going to use the Varied Vases bundle, which includes the Varied Vases stamp set and the Vases Builder Punch, which can be found on page 45 of the annual catalog. Got a few little samples here that you can copy if you'd like. So there's all these stamps that come in the stamp set, and then we have the coordinating punch here that crops out the different vases, the leaf, and then the tulips. And then in the occasions catalog, there is a kind of sister stamp set that goes along with this called Vibrant Vases on page 23. And that also includes some more images that can be cropped out with the tulip, the leaf, and the vases. So all the cards in today's video are going to be using products or the stamps from the Varied Vases stamp set and then the Vases Builder Punch. And I think I said this already, but I have 31 cards to show you. I also have an online class that uses this bundle, and if you purchase my bundle of products, which is the Varied Vases bundle, the In Color 2018-2020 In Color Designer Series paper stack, an embossing folder of your choice, and then an In Color ribbon of your choice. So if you purchase all those products, you can get my online class for free. Otherwise, you can just purchase it for $20, and you can get all the details on my blog at barbstamps.com. The class includes 9 different cards. None of those cards are in this video. They're all exclusive to the class, and I will email that to you, and it has links to all the videos as well as the written directions. So starting off our multi-card video, I have 3 cards here. I actually had 5, but I have given a couple of them away. So I did make a set in all of our In Colors. You can see I used the different vases, the different flowers that are in the set, the different colors of ribbon. We've got the ovals here, and I just thought that was kind of fun. So there are 3 of our 31 cards. Our next card uses some Stampin' Blends markers to fill in the vases with water, quote unquote. And then we have a little sentiment down here. We've got half of a piece of Coastal Cabana cardstock coming up the Poppy Parade card base. And then the colors of Stampin' Blends are the Smoky Slate, Pool Party, Calypso Coral, Poppy Parade, and the Granny Apple Green. Moving on to this card here, this one uses the Thank You Thinlet along with the Tropical Escape Designer Series paper with this pattern right here. And we've got the vase stamped in Shaded Spruce, the flowers are Blushing Bride, the thank you is cropped out of Granny Apple Green, and then we have these little rhinestone accents to finish that off. Next card uses the Around the Corner stamp set here that actually has images, words that are stamped in the corners, which is really cool. We've got one of our faceted gems here, stitched oval. The vase was stamped in Blackberry Bliss. We've got some Blackberry Bliss here, some lovely lipstick, and some Pineapple Punch. And then the card base is Lemon Lime Twist and Berry Burst, both of which are retiring June 3rd. So if those are 2 colors that you like, get your refills and cardstock ordered now. This next card uses the Gray Granite along with the Gray Granite Designer Series paper from the Neutral Stack. And the vase was stamped in Gray Granite. The little flower here was stamped in Pineapple Punch, and I cut that out with some scissors. Got our little sentiment there. Some of that Gray Granite textured weave ribbon. We've got the subtle embossing folder back here on this piece here, which is really awesome. And then we have a scalloped Pineapple Punch and a stitched circle for the main image. This one uses a Garden Green along with some Garden Green Designer Series paper here and here. We've got the flower stamped, added a little leaf. The vase was just simply punched out of the Designer Series paper. We have a tiny little bow in our 1/8" Whisper white ribbon and some rhinestones and a piece of vellum here to kind of finish that off. Lovely lipstick is the theme on this card. We've got the ruffled embossing folder here on the background, some of our white polka dot ribbon. Both of the vases were cropped out of the Designer Series paper, and then these little flowers here were stamped and punched out, stamped in black. And then we have our little thanks here, and then a stitched oval. Next card uses some of our Wood Textures Designer Series paper for the background layer, and the little strip of the thanks is cropped out of. We've got the Starburst punch in black, the vase in white, the tulips are in Mango Melody, and then the leaves are in, looks like, Old Olive. And then we have some linen thread tied around a few times up here into a bow. So this card, we've got some Night of Navy and some Daffodil Delight. This particular piece of paper comes from the Springtime Impressions Designer Series paper stack. These 2 are from the Bright stack. Then the flowers were stamped in black and colored in yellow, and then the tulip and the leaf were cropped out with the punch. Then we have this fun Daffodil Delight stitched ribbon, and then our sentiment cropped out with the classic label punch. Our next card uses some of our Grapefruit Grove embossing powder from the In Color embossing powder stack. This has all 5 of the 2018-2020 In Colors. And I used the Grapefruit Grove to stamp this flower image here, and then I added a Puppy Parade vase. Got some of those little flowers stamped in the corners. Tiny little bit of Puppy Parade here done with the ruffled embossing folder, and then some Puppy Parade mini striped ribbon there. Oh, and then the little sentiment comes to us from a big thank you. This long sentiment right here, or this tall sentiment, I guess, it says, "You are the best." This next one, I've got some copper embossing on this one with some copper sequins out of the Metallics sequin assortment. We've got some Tranquil Tide ruffled ribbon. We've got the polka dot folder behind there. This is about a 2.5-inch circle. And then we have mint macaron and Tranquil Tide as our colors. This next card uses one of the stitched labels framelits for our background piece here out of the Wood Textures Designer Series paper. And we've got the vase from the Crumb Cake Designer Series paper in the, let's say, Neutrals collection. We've got Blushing Bride with the tufted folder, excuse me. We've got the leaf punch out of Sparkle Glimmer paper. And then we have some powder pink ribbon, some polka dot ribbon, and a partial pearlized doily down there. Next card uses Shaded Spruce Basic Black and Whisper White. We've got the striped scallops folder here on the background. We've got a scalloped oval, and then we have a stitched circle on the front. The vase is cut out of Silver Glimmer paper, super pretty. Here's some of that Designer Series paper, the neutral stack, and then we've got some Shaded Spruce ribbon and some black satin ribbon. If you're enjoying the video, give it a thumbs up. I really appreciate that. And subscribe to my channel right down here so you can be notified when I upload new videos. This next one uses a pattern out of the Share What You Love Designer Series paper package. So we've got some Grapefruit Grove for our sentiment. We've got Pool Party for the base, Pool Party shimmer ribbon here. And then we have Rich Razzleberry behind the Designer Series paper, and everything's layered on some crumb cake. This one is very colorful. This one uses all of our 2018-2020 In Colors. So we've got all the Designer Series papers down here, the different colors of vases, all the flowers, and then some Grapefruit Grove ribbon there. So we've got Grapefruit Grove, Pineapple Punch, white, and then of course Lipstick, Call Me Clover, and Blueberry Bushel. This one here is a fun fold along with a technique type card. So we've got this phrase here from the Thankful Thoughts stamp set. And it was inked up in Granny Apple Green, and then you can just sort of see those little tiny flowers. They are from this little sprig here. So the stamp was inked up in Granny Apple Green. This image was then inked up in Shaded Spruce and stamped onto that stamp. And then when you stamp that on your paper, you get that really textured look. Piece of the Designer Series paper here, and I think this is from the Tropical Chic again. Oh no, this is from the Animal Expedition. That's where this comes from. And then we have Granny Apple Green tulips and then a Shaded Spruce vase. Love purple. So we've got Gorgeous Grape and Highland Heather. We've got the subtle embossing folder on this layer here. The same vase, but it was cut, so it appears to be a little bit different. And then the different flowers were, the outline images were stamped in Gorgeous Grape. Inside images were stamped in Highland Heather. And then a few pearls to accent those flowers. This one, another piece of paper from the Share What You Love Designer Series paper pack. And then we have the subtle folder used on this vase. Then we have some a little tiny artisan pearl down there. We've got the flowers stamped in, I think that's Mossy Meadow, and then colored in with what looks like to be like Mango Melody. We've got a soft, or a So Saffron card layer here. And then of course the pattern paper. And look at the shimmer in that paper. So pretty. Here's another fun kind of window-ish card. So these are cards where you snip off this edge here, cut this down, and then you have your little layer here that connects everything together. So this is powder pink and Flirty Flamingo, along with some silver foil sheets that were used to crop out the vases. We've got some silver and white baker's twine here, and then the flowers are stamped in gray and then overstamped with the powder pink, and then the thanks in Flirty Flamingo. This one here uses Mary Merlot, Pear Pizzazz, and Blushing Bride as our color combination, and I really like that. We've got some Pear Pizzazz shimmer ribbon, super pretty and shiny and sparkly. The vase done in Mary Merlot, the stems in Pear Pizzazz, and then the overlay flowers done in Blushing Bride. Ooh, I like this one here. It's just got a hint of color using soft sea foam. So the vase was inked up in black, the outline image. The inside image was inked up in soft sea foam. And then it looks as though a Stampin' Write marker was just tapped into that ink before it was pressed onto the paper. And then we have one of those little faceted dots here at the top. Got that little scalloped image here to create like a shelf or something. And then all these fun flowers coming out of that vase. We've got this one here. We've got some crushed curry and some Coastal Cabana. Very interesting color combination. Got the vase stamped on Coastal Cabana with Coastal Cabana ink. We've got some gold pearls here. No, not gold pearls. Enamel dots, I think they are, the gold ones. We've got a little bit of that mini sequin trim in the gold. The Coastal Cabana ribbon that comes out of, I think it's the Tea Time ribboned duo. And then we have some ovals with vanilla cardstock, Coastal Cabana, and the crushed curry. Moving on to this one, a black and white is always a good combination. We've got the petal burst folder on this layer behind all the squares. We've got the tailored tag punch here. And then the little vases were stamped in black on white and then just trimmed to fit the squares. And then we've got all the flowers and then some pearls to accent those. This one here uses our delicate lace edgelets along the bottom layer of this mint macaron piece. We've got the gorgeous grape mini striped ribbon here. We've got the circle cut out, and then we've got all these little flowers that were just fussy cut, stamped in gorgeous grape onto Highland Heather paper. And then this is blueberry bushel, and you can tell that the vase has been run through the subtles folder. Moving on to this really pretty card, we've got the basket weave folder here for our background layer. We've got a flag piece with the Mango Melody cardstock, and then we have a piece of Designer Series paper from the Springtime Impressions Designer Series paper pack, a stitched square, the vase stamped in Melon Mambo. This is Melon Mambo also. And then we have the little flower sprig with the Mango Melody Stampin' Blends used to color those, and then we have the pearls. This card here uses the Best Route Designer Series paper, which is kind of more manly in my opinion, but this card is gorgeous. We also have those same delicate lace edgelets here on the bottom. The sentiment here in blueberry bushel, the flowers stamped in Mango Melody, colored in pineapple punch, and then the large circle there to kind of have everything set on. This one uses, this color combination is gorgeous, Flirty Flamingo and Pool Party. So we've got some of that Pool Party shimmer ribbon back here, the subtle folder on this layer. We've got that little scalloped edge for a shelf that all the vases can sit on. And then those are colored in Flirty Flamingo Stampin' Blends. This one here uses Night of Navy, Pool Party, and Crumb Cake. And the Crumb Cake layer, again, that subtle embossing folder. And we've got some of the ovals, a stitched oval and a straight oval. The vase here cropped out of white. We've got some Night of Navy baker's twine there. The sentiment stamped and cropped with the classic label punch, and then another classic label punch underneath. The Night of Navy gingham ribbon, and then some rhinestones. This card here uses a gorgeous grape and the layered leaves embossing folder. You can see that on the background. And we've got the gorgeous grape here, the outline images. We've got some shaded spruce on the leaf and the flower images, the thanks in Highland Heather, and the super cute white polka dot ribbon there. Here's our last card, but before I talk about it, I want to remind you of my Varied Vases online class, which you can find all the information at barbstamps.com. It's only $20. None of the cards you've seen in this video are in that class, so they're all exclusive to the class. They all have videos and written instructions, and there are 9 cards in the class. So this one here uses Pineapple Punch, basic black and whisper white with a little bit of real red for the inside of the flowers. So we've got the Designer Series paper stack, the in colors in the Pineapple Punch, and then the flowers were stamped in Memento and then colored in with the Pineapple Punch Stampin' Blend marker. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I appreciate it. I know how much you love these multi-card videos. You probably love them as much as I love making them because they give me some great ideas as well. So give the video a thumbs up before you go, subscribe to my channel, and I hope you have an absolutely wonderful day.